Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to channel Sai Tech. We're introduced to the initial setup on the Oneplus Nord 2 and what is the RAM and the storage availability test in this phone and what are the pre-installed applications we do get in this device. That is what I'm going to exactly do the testing in this video. So this is a kind of 3-in-1 video which will be able to understand each and every thing about the setup and all the pre-installed applications. So in case if you want me to do any other videos, let me know in the description below friends. Definitely I'll try to plan plenty of videos on this for the next couple of days. And let's start the setup process, and if possible I'll try to do the I'll try to upload plenty of videos on this phone, so within next 12 hours of time. So in case if you want me to do any other, if you want me to include particularly, let me know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to participate in the community voting, where I did create a lot of community voting friends because of the OnePlus Nord 2 arrival. I just want to know with which phone you all people want me to compare. That is the reason I did create the community post, so that will be really giving me a quick clarity what the users are actually looking for, with which phone you want me to compare. So basically the setup is completely done, and let me just show you the about phone details. And you can see the 8GB and 128GB storage, as you can see, which says Oxygen OS version of 11.3. And the storage, let's see what about the storage. 16GB is used, as you can see. 16.8GB is used in the OnePlus Nord 2 out of the box, as you can see. If you look at this storage, I think this kind of similar to the Realme UI itself. So I'll try to compare both UI separately, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. This is a quick look at that. Let me tap on the applications and let's see what are the apps which are pre-installed in this phone. That is what I'm going to check according to the size. These are the few applications which we did see. And I cannot find any other application. Let me see, is there any kind of Amazon, Flipkart? No, there is no Amazon, Flipkart. There is nothing here. There is no bloatware at all, friends, apart from normal Netflix. That's it. You cannot find any other application installed in this phone. That's really great to have this kind of very clean user interface. Only few UIs will be this kind of clean, without any kind of bloatware and without any kind of ads at the moment. So this is a quick information, friends, completely about this pre-installed apps and what is the storage availability and what is the software update version the phone is actually running. As you can see, Android version 11, and security patch update is the 5th June 2021. Maybe if I try to connect to Wi-Fi, I might receive the July as well, because I did receive the July update in the POCO X8 GT. So this is a quick comparison, friends, and thank you for watching this video. And in case if you want me to do any other testing on this OnePlus Nord 2 device particularly, let me know in the comment section below. And the Oxygen OS, which is running version 11.3, as you can see, 11.3 is the Oxygen UI. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.